Alright guys, so today we are going to use the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty. There's also a highlighter shade, so I will use that as well. And, yeah, so I'm going to put my contacts in, do my face makeup, and I will be right back. Alright, we are back. So I have to shorten myself. Alright, so I think I'm going to do the same gold look that I did the other day. So today we're going to be using the Aquarius matte eyeshadow and the baked shadow, and then I think I'm also going to be using probably Sagittarius's matte here. It's this reddish brown. So I'm going to take my round crease brush. This is from the BH Cosmetics. This is their rose quartz set. It does not have a number on it because I rubbed it off, because I think I used this one a little too much, but we're going to dip into that nice matte shade and we're going to put it in our crease. So I just wanted to say that I do these videos for fun, and we're going to look over here today. I am pretty much a beginner. So, like I said, I make these videos because I'm a college student and I'm pretty bored most of the time. And I think it's fun to make videos. This is very pigmented, as you can see. I think you can see better when I'm looking this way. Looks like a good shade in our crease. So, I'm going to take Sagittarius's matte, that reddish brown that I showed you. Sorry, that probably wasn't a good shot, but you know, it's okay. And I'm just going to put that over the Aquarius color that we just put. I actually find it really interesting that they put Aquarius as gold and not blue. I guess Aries is blue for some reason, which I think Aries would be more gold considering they are a fire sign. We'll just take this IT Cosmetics blending brush and we will just blend that out and blend those two colors in together for a nice soft blend. Oops. Alright. We're all set. So, I'm going to take Aquarius on my finger. This one's pretty cool. It's a gold with like a green duochrome shift. So it's really pretty on the eyelid. So I'm gonna put that on my eyelid. And forgive me today, I'm not used to looking over at this side like I said. Alright. I don't want to be out of frame too much. And we're gonna blend in our glitter with our crease colors as well. Or not our glitter, our shimmer shade. Sorry, my bad. Alright, I'm gonna take that same blending brush and we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna do that with our shimmer just so everything is nice and blended. And then I'm gonna go back a little with that same shimmer. And we're just gonna make sure it's there. You can also pick up the shade with a brush and spray it as well. I think I may have tried that the last time that I did this look. Sometimes I actually practice looks and sometimes I wing them. Pretty much my life. Alright. So I'm gonna dip into that Pisces brown right there. And I'm sorry if I blinded you with my mirror. Now, this palette does have a bit of fallout. That's okay. I don't think there's much fallout on the eyes as much as there is in the pans in the palette. Alright, and then I'm going to blend that out with that same It blending brush. Alright, I think that looks a-okay. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera along with my eyeliner and mascara. And I will be back to you with the lips. I think we're going to do, well, I'm going to use my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen, but you'll see. So I'll be right back. Alright, so we're going to finish our look off with the lips. And then today for my eyeliner, I use the Sephora Felt Tip eyeliner. And then this is the NYX On The Rise Volume Lift Mascara. Alright. So let me... Oh, and then, like I said, this is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen. Alright. You can also do this look with a nude lip as well, or you can do a brighter red too. Kind of makes it like almost a holiday feel. So, I really do like this palette. Well, I'm a huge fan of BH Cosmetics, and their baked shadows are lovely. I have the Galaxy Chic palette, and I have their Take Me Back to Brazil, and I have the Zodiac Love Signs, like I mentioned. And I really like their baked shadow formulas, and I also like their mattes and their shimmers. The mattes in this palette, they're very pigmented, and I think they're easy to blend. It's just that sometimes there's a lot of fallout, like you can see some of the glitter in my shadows, and that's okay. But yeah, otherwise I think it's a lovely palette. I can't wait to use the Aries blue. Oops. Sorry, my bad. Can't wait to use Aries and also Virgo. I think Virgo's over here, because that's me. That's my sign. Although I would say Virgo is pretty neutral, huh? But that's okay. Alright. So, really love this palette. Oh, and the highlighter is okay, you just have to build it up. It's a very subtle highlighter, just like the other one. And so don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below and like this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye!